Welcome to my office. I seen these coffees at Publix and decided to give them a try. They were buy one, get one free, that's why I got two. Didn't want to leave the free one, you know? Man, some ice. I don't know if these are new or if they just had them in the bag, because I have not seen those before. It's good. I knew I was gonna like it, so that's why I did get both. If not, I would have just given it to someone. It's limited edition though. I like this one so much better than the mocha one, than the vanilla one, and then the triple espresso one, because it actually has flavor to it. The other ones just taste like an espresso with milk but watered down, which I don't appreciate. I want it to taste like something. Oh hell no.